I actually thought we'd get chapter 7 all into one video. But here's part 2. Jars crashed, bags tumbled and split as they fell. Crash, bang, smash. Noise and flying glass did not stop Casto. Ralph leaped behind the big spools of lanyard plastic. Casto knocked over the spools, and the plastic unreeled, tangling about his feet. While Casto freed himself from the plastic, Ralph found behind the work table a slanting piece of wood that was a brace between the studs of the rough walls of the craft shop. Ralph ran down the brace as Casto tried to squeeze his head between the edge of the work table and the wall. He could get his head in the space, but not the rest of his body. He pulled back his head and tried to reach Ralph with his paw. Ralph, however, was too far down the brace. Next, Casto leaped to the floor and ran under the table. Ralph scurried up to the brace so that he was above the table and beyond Casto's reaching paw. Back to the tabletop went Casto, and down the brace ran Ralph, once again beyond the stretch of those curved and groping claws. Frantic with frustration, the cat sprang from the table while Ralph ran up the brace. Once more, Casto reached and stretched and groped. Ralph's courage and confidence had returned. He advanced within half an inch of Casto's longest reach. Casto tried, but could not stretch his foreleg no farther. Ralph sat down and said, "This could go on all day. You might as well give up. You know I'm too smart for you." Casto, after one more effort to stretch farther, withdrew his paw, came out from under the table, and picked up his way daintily and disdainfully through the jumble of seeds, nails, and plastic cord, as if the mess was beneath his notice. He held his tail proudly erect, but he did not fool Ralph. That cat had been defeated. Casto squeezed out the hole in the screen door. Ralph was safe and free. Now all he had to do was figure out how to get his motorcycle away from Garth, and he would be on his way back to the Mountain View Inn. In the meantime, he settled down to feast on all the seeds that Casto had spilled for him. And there is chapter 7.